Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is in English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 9, air pollution. Yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below into the description box. You may click it, download it, or you can modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, our today's lecture number 7, under the title of reading and writing, we will learn today to collect ideas through brainstorming, and we will cover up this page. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about read the advertisement, about ask question on page number 26. I hope you remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcomes are identify and utilize effective study skills, brainstorming for ideas using illustrations, and note taking. So today we will brainstorm our ideas and we will cover up this SLO. Yes, my dear students and my dear teachers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Ankabut, verse number 2, do the people think that they will be left to say we believe and they will not be tried? Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in these verses that if when peoples are saying that we have believed, so what does it mean that they have believed everything? No, definitely they should be prepared that we can be testified through hardships, through loss of wealth, through different ways. Allah Almighty will testify us. So we must confirm, and it must be our confirmed and firm belief on Allah Almighty that He will also bless us with His greatest blessings, and we must show patience. Yes, my dear students, pre-reading question are there. What is a news report? Yes, my dear teacher, pause the video and get answer from your students and then come back. Excellent job. I hope you have done it in a nice way. So let's see what is a news report. News reports are found in newspapers and their purpose is to inform readers of what is happening in the world around them. Yes, my dear students, as we know that mostly newspapers are there, and mostly in the television there are news, and we are also watching. So what is the purpose of these news? So these news and newspapers are found in newspapers. Such type of news reports we can find in newspapers, and they inform us that what is happening in the whole world. And even we are at our home, we are sitting in a room, but we can know, we can observe the whole world, what is happening over there, and it's all due to news report, my dear students. Yes, and how we can get and how we can write a news reports. Let's see. News reports have a certain structure that you need to follow. If you want to write a news report, then it has a certain structure. That which structure is there? Let's see. First is lead. The who, what, when, where, and why of the story. If suppose you are writing a story, you are discussing about a story, you are going to tell about a story or any happening. So these questions are there, that who is there, who is the character, what is happening there, and when mean which time, where, which place is there, where it is happening, and why. What is the reason behind? So suppose it can be anything that I have here, that suppose we are writing about what is this disease called. Suppose we are writing about in a news report about our disease. So how many people are affected? So in this way we will start our news report. And second is its background information. What are symptoms? Who does it attack? What remedies are available? Yes, suppose we are writing about any disease already. We know that coronavirus is already, we are facing such type of disease already. We are facing, my dear students. Suppose, so what are the symptoms of this disease? That how we can get that? There is that anyone fall in a disease, and who does it attack? And next is what remedies are available if we want to save ourselves. So in which way we can save ourselves. So these all information is called background information. And the next is interview. Suppose if you are going to interview to anyone. So let's see what is interview. An interview with a doctor or nurse or perhaps a survivor or family member of a victim. Yes, if you are going to interview, if you are going to discuss with that person that is already faced that disease, already he is a patient, or he can be a family member, he can be a relative, anyone, doctor, nurse, etc. So these such type of all words are called interview. Yes, more information, but we can get in more information. What should people do if affected? If people are affected with this disease, so which people, what should do if they are affected? What plans are there to overcome it in the future? So if they are affected, so in nearby future, which steps should be taken that we must not get such type of disease in our lives? So these are called more information. Yes, my dear students and my dear teachers, that more information mostly omitted from the newspapers, and it is a separate paragraph, and the irrelevant information is also called. Yes, last one is conclusion. Final paragraph, any final information summing up the report. When we sum up the report, when we close our whole talk, whole story, so this is called our conclusion. Yes, my dear students, let's see how we can get that. According to an activity, through an activity we get that what is a news report. Yes, my dear students and my dear teachers, open book page number 71 to read carefully about news report given in question number 9. Give them 5 minutes to brainstorm their ideas and gather information about the report. After 5 minutes, students will discuss the news article in front of class. Yes, my dear students, my dear teachers, on your book, page number 71, there is a question number 9. There is a news report is given. Give to your students 5 minutes and then get this news report in front of class. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Yes, I hope you have done it and you have enjoyed and you have got much knowledge about news report. And after that you will give question on your book. You will solve question number 10, page number 71, that you have read the above news report. Now write T for true and F for false for the following statement. Yes, my dear students, this is an individual activity. Perform this activity in your class on your books. Excellent. I hope you have got it nicely. Yes, my dear students, so what's our today homework? Write the activity given on book page number 72 in your notebooks. Yes, my dear students and my dear teachers, this is your today's homework. There is an activity on page number 72 that you will write in your homework in your notebooks. Yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet and it is given into the description box. Click it and provide it to your students in printed form. So what we have covered up today? Today we learned about news report, how we can collect information about anything by facts, opinions through brainstorming. And in this way we have covered up our SLO, identify and utilize effective study skills brainstorming for ideas using illustrations and note taking. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and you have got knowledge about news report. So with a new lesson, with a new lecture, see you tomorrow inshallah. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.